The year is 1688. England stands on the brink of a momentous change that will reshape its political landscape forever. This is the story of the Glorious Revolution, a pivotal event that transformed England from an absolute monarchy to a constitutional one without a single drop of blood spilled. To understand the Glorious Revolution, we need to step back and look at the political climate of England in the late 17th century. The country had already experienced significant turmoil, including a civil war and the brief rule of Oliver Cromwell. When Charles II was restored to the throne in 1660, many hoped for stability. However, tensions between the monarchy and Parliament continued to simmer. In 1685, Charles's brother, James II, ascended to the throne. James was an open Catholic in a predominantly Protestant nation, and his rule quickly became controversial. He appointed Catholics to high positions in the government and military, suspended laws against Catholics, and even had a Catholic heir. These actions alarmed the Protestant majority and many members of Parliament. Fearing that James would establish Catholic absolutism, a group of influential politicians secretly invited William of Orange, the Protestant ruler of the Dutch Republic and James's son-in-law, to invade England. William was married to James's daughter Mary, and both were Protestants. In November 1688, William landed in England with a large Dutch army. Surprisingly, he faced little resistance. James's support crumbled rapidly, and he fled to France in December. This nearly bloodless coup became known as the Glorious Revolution. William and Mary were offered the crown jointly, but under new terms. They accepted the Declaration of Rights, later enshrined in the Bill of Rights of 1689. This crucial document limited the power of the monarchy and strengthened the role of Parliament. The Bill of Rights established several key principles. It prohibited the monarch from suspending laws, levying taxes, or maintaining a standing army without parliamentary consent. It also guaranteed free elections and freedom of speech in Parliament. These changes marked a significant shift towards parliamentary supremacy and limited monarchy. The long-term impacts of the Glorious Revolution were profound. It laid the foundation for the modern British constitutional monarchy, where the monarch reigns but does not rule. The principle of parliamentary supremacy became firmly established, paving the way for the development of cabinet government and the office of Prime Minister. Moreover, the Glorious Revolution's ideals of limited government and protection of civil liberties influenced political thought far beyond England's shores. These principles would later inspire the American revolutionaries and find echoes in the United States Constitution. The Glorious Revolution stands as a turning point in English history. It marked the end of absolute monarchy and the beginning of a new era of constitutional rule. By peacefully transferring power from the Crown to Parliament, it set England on a path towards modern democracy, making it a truly glorious chapter in the nation's story.